The fight between two bears. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, many animals lived peacefully. Among them were two big bears, a black bear and a brown bear. Both were strong, but very different in nature. The black bear was proud and aggressive, while the brown bear was patient, wise, and kind. The animals in the forest liked the brown bear more because he helped everyone and never fought. One day, the two bears got into an argument over a honeycomb. The black bear said, "I saw it first, it's mine." The brown bear replied, "But I tasted it first. Let's split it equally." The black bear didn't like the idea and angrily attacked the brown bear. A fierce fight began. All the animals gathered, worried and afraid, as these two powerful bears could cause great harm. After fighting for a long time, both bears grew tired. Just then, a wise owl flew down and shouted, "Shame on you! You two are the strongest animals in the forest if you fight. What example will others follow? Is a honeycomb worth all this chaos?" The bears looked at each other, then at their wounds, and finally at the honey. The brown bear said, "We can share it, and if you want, you can have the next one." The black bear felt ashamed. "I misjudged you. You are truly wise," he said. From that day onward, the two bears became friends. They searched for honey together and shared it peacefully. True strength isn't in fighting, it's in patience, kindness, and respecting others.